Used in the top hospitals and medical clinics in Japan. This patient was diagnosed with an advanced case of diabetic neuropathy and was actually preparing for the amputation of his leg. In a final attempt to save his limb, his physician decided to try an aggressive treatment using alkaline and acidic water. He started with a regimen of soaking his foot in strong acidic water to kill bacteria and germs, while at the same time, he started to drink approximately 3 liters of 9.5 pH alkaline water each day. The results were unbelievable. The amputation of his leg was cancelled, and today he is up and about, enjoying a full recovery. These children are suffering from very serious skin conditions. Many adults also suffer from these types of skin problems. These skin conditions can be unsightly and very painful. Patients were initially treated with topical creams and ointments that saw very little results. Doctors decided to use alkaline and acidic waters. Patients were first given alkaline water to drink, then the strong acidic water was applied topically to the skin. Young children are the most difficult to treat, as they simply do not understand why this is happening to them. They just want the pain and discomfort to go away. These before and after images clearly show the effectiveness of the water treatments on a variety of different skin conditions. It has even been effective on severe burns. Some Japanese hospitals use the strong acidic water to treat exposed bed sores. This use of restructured water is an excellent substitute for traditional medications, and it has been extremely effective. Residents of many elder care facilities drink alkaline water and have experienced improvements in health and quality of life. In Japanese child care centers, many children drink this water from the time they are born and will enjoy the benefits for a lifetime. Restructured water is produced by diverting normal tap water through a machine, which changes the water molecules through an electrolysis process. First, the water is filtered to remove any contaminants and impurities. Next, the water flows over platinum-coated titanium plates in the electrolysis chamber, where a positive and negative electrical charge divides the ions into 2 separate streams. So, how does restructured water create such incredible results? According to some of the world's foremost medical experts, cellular degeneration from oxidative stress has become the main cause of the vast majority of known human diseases. Oxidative stress occurs when an oxygen molecule has an overabundance of electrons, which can damage healthy cells. Active hydrogen, found in alkaline drinking water, neutralizes these potentially harmful free radicals, making them completely harmless, while also detoxifying and hydrating the cells. Scientists have proven the effectiveness of strong acidic water for killing germs and bacteria by using the powerful color laser microscope, which is able to view even the smallest microbe. What you are seeing is a live sample of active germ cells. Once strong acidic water is introduced to the sample, the germs quickly begin to die. You can see the dramatic difference between the before shot on the right and the after shot on the left. In Japan, alkaline water is used in restaurants, hotels, childcare and elder care centers, and in hundreds of the top hospitals. In restaurants, the strong acidic water is used for sterilization and cleaning, while the alkaline drinking water is used to make the very best soups. In hotels, the strong acidic water is used to sterilize, while the strong alkaline water is used for cleaning and degreasing. Many hospitals in Japan use the strong acidic water for sterilizing surgical equipment, for disinfecting operating rooms, and they even use it for washing hands before surgery, instead of using the less effective combination of salt and water. This water can be used in this way because the pH level is 2.7 or less, which is acidic enough to kill germs and bacteria. Restructured water is also used for farming and on top golf courses. Strong acidic water is used instead of chemical pesticides, and the results are just as effective. Fruits and vegetables are irrigated using alkaline water, helping them to grow faster and larger. And on golf courses, the strong acidic water is used to help control destructive parasitic insects on the greens, which keeps the turf looking pristine. This concludes our International Health and Wellness Special Report on the incredible power of restructured water.
Hi, good evening. Thank you for coming. My name is Jit. Today, the agenda will be, the first part will be on Kangen water, the 3 properties. Second part will be on testimonies. Third part will be on the business. If you're interested, you can stay behind. Okay, this is the slogan of the company: change your water, change your life. When I first saw this, right, I thought it is just for marketing purposes. But after I have changed my water, it really changes my life. Later, I will share more about my testimonies about this water and the friends who benefited from the water I share with them. Our human body is 75% water, blood 83%, brain 74.5%, kidney 83%, liver 86%, muscle 76%. Even our fats and bones are 20 to 22% water. Imagine if you are 60 kg in body weight, about 45 kg, 45 liters is water. How important is this water in your body? And look at that. Most of our organs, they need water to function. What if the water quality is not good? We know water helps to transport oxygen and nutrients, but today I will show you that not all water will transport the nutrients to our cells. Elderly usually have this issue. Nowadays, even youngsters have this issue, joint pain. In between the joint, there's a cartilage. It is 90% water. When we don't drink enough water, it reduces in mass. Eventually, the bone will rub against the bone, then you feel the sharp pain. My father-in-law has this issue for many years. He loves coffee. Every day, he drinks 5 to 6 cups of coffee. And he doesn't like to drink water. So he has this issue, and he took medication, doesn't help him. And he doesn't want to go for operation. He's afraid that after operation, he cannot walk. So I passed him this water and drink for 2 weeks. 2 weeks later, when I reached his house, right, he almost like running towards me. He said, "Hey, don't drink already, not painful already," because he doesn't like to drink water. Water is like tasteless to him. How come this water is so effective while other water, after you drink, first thing you feel bloated. After that, the pain is still there. Because this water has the one property is called microcluster. It is very small. It helps the absorption of the water by the cell very efficiently. So later the demo will cover on this part. Okay, as we age, right, you tend to hear those elderly complaints because we are older, that's why we are weaker and we fall sick easier. Is there any relationship to the percentage of water in our body versus our age? Fetus 100% water, baby at birth 80%, normal adults 70%, elderly 50%. You are supposed to be 75% water, right? Now 1/3 is gone. You think of problem? And some of them, they will ask me questions. How come when I get older, my water content in the body is lower? Because sometimes when we are working, we are too busy, we forget to drink water. Sometimes you got no time to go toilet, better don't drink. Don't drink, then not urgent, right? Then end up, you are dehydrated already. You don't know. You're not thirsty, right? Okay? When you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated for quite some time already. And when you drink coffee and tea, you know 1 cup of coffee, when you pass urine, your urine is that much, about 20% more. So the additional 20% comes up from your body. So the more we drink, the more dehydrated we are. But doesn't mean that you cannot drink. I still drink tea, but after that I drink more Kangen water to replenish the water content in my body. Okay, this is to check how dehydrated you are. You can be mildly dehydrated, moderate, or severe. Let's say like your eyes. When you are moderately dehydrated, you are sunken and dry eyes. Some of them, they say their eyes so dry. Not enough water. Oh. So if grossly sunken is worse. You can check here. Check your urine, the color of your urine. Oh. Here is health risk already, this kind of color. Okay, when we are dehydrated, we will have these degenerative diseases, asthma, allergies, high blood pressure, skin disorders, fatigue. You know, just now your blood is 83% water, right? When we started the demo, when you don't drink enough water, there's not enough water content in your body, the pressure of your blood is higher. Drink more water. How did it all begin? In 1950, research was conducted in unique locations in France, Germany, Mexico. These people, they get water and drink on site, or sometimes they take some water home to drink. After that, their illnesses and pains are gone or lessened. They can't explain why, they only say this is miracle or wonder water. But the Russian and Japanese scientists have found that all this water has one thing